relationship with China. Very, very good. Very, very good. Oh, yeah, we were fighting a couple of months ago. We leave it all in the past, all in the past. All in the past, all in the past. All in the past. Turn the lights off! Turn the lights off! Okay, my relationship with Elon. It's been back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Oh, yeah, no, he doesn't pay tax. Yes, sir, what was your question? Why am I deporting? Okay, guys, can we check this, guys? I thought we said only Americans allowed here. Yes, sir, they're illegal. They're illegal means they can't stay here. Not that hard. Not that hard, guys. Not that hard to understand. They're eating the dogs. They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. Do I know anything about it, by the way? Fake news! Fake news! Fake news! It's all fake news. It's all fake news. All fake news. Yes, sorry, Mom Daddy is a great friend of mine. Great friend of mine. Do I like Muslims? No. They don't align with Christian beliefs. They do not align with Christian beliefs. What do I think about America? I think that America is the best country. Anyone who disagrees is a bad country. Like Iran, Iran. I'm not very fond of Iran. They closed up the Strait of Hormuz. Yes, they closed up the Strait of Hormuz. Oh, that was my fault.